Stop. If you are using OpenClaw like this, you are doing it completely wrong. Opening terminals every few minutes, checking outputs manually, launching new agents again and again. That's not AI automation. That's babysitting. And if you keep working like this, you're not scaling anything. You're just replacing your own time with slightly faster chaos. AI was never meant to be watched every minute. It was meant to operate autonomously, with structure, with hierarchy, with control. That's exactly why we built Agent Center. Instead of juggling multiple agents manually, you assign a squad, and a squad leader oversees everything for you. Tasks are delegated, processes run continuously. Every single output is monitored automatically for accuracy. You manage outcomes. This is what real AI operations look like. So the question is, are you still babysitting AI or are you actually building systems? Experience the future at AgentCenter.cloud.